Hello and welcome to HWM Caterham. Today I'm here to bring you this lovely new bit of stock. This is a 2012 classic Caterham 7 with the 1.8 Rover K series engine. This one has covered just shy of 6,800 miles, has had only 4 owners from new and is presented really well. So let's have a walk around together and talk about some of the features and also about some of the history. So as you can see, this 7 is finished in this lovely blue metallic paint with white pinstriping across the bonnet, nose cone and the scuttle, which again works quite nicely and is quite unique for a car like this. Service wise, we have prepped this car to very high standard. Very recently we have put 4 brand new tyres and also new pads on the front. Brake line's been replaced and a general check over has been carried out, so the car's been reconditioned and a fair bit has been spent on it. Some of the spec includes on this car is the black pack, which darkens the headlights around the windscreen and also the fuel filler cap. You've got the clear lens pack and also it's on the sport suspension setup with your standard wishbone setup. So now moving on down to the side of the Caterham, these are the 10 V-spoke anthracite wheels, 15 inch and again finished on some brand new Toyo Proxer tyres. This model has got no lowered floors, so it is on the original floor setup. You've also got the rear view mirrors that are mounted onto the windscreen for better stability, and it comes with the doors and also the full hood. Being the black pack, you do also get these lovely carbon stone guards, and as you can just about see, which we'll move on to in a bit detail further, is the red harnesses. So moving on to the rear and just touching on that prep that we did on this car, one of the bits that we did was also converting the standard halogen rear lights to these lovely flush LEDs. That means removing the 2 lights that are in the middle of the basket and covering them up with a little plastic filler and now integrating these lovely LEDs. You've also got a normal leather black boot cover and the standard roll bar. So onto the interior of the Caterham, we do have these lovely comfort seats which are in phenomenal condition. You also do get these aftermarket Sabelt seat belts finished in a lovely red, which does contrast quite nicely and matches up quite nicely to the painted 7 on the grille. You've got this fixed point Momo steering wheel which is finished in leather, and again just your general standard Caterham dashboard layout with it being presented in really good condition. So that brings us to the end of the video on this stunning 7. If you're looking to get yourself into the very popular 1.8K series, then this is the car for you. For any more questions about the service history or the spec, please give us a call on 01932 240 611 or feel free to visit the website down in the description below.